Hi, I'm John Miner with Complete General Contractors Incorporated. We're state certified general contractors, professional engineers, floodplain managers, and insurance appraisers. I'd like to share some information with you today about the appraisal or the arbitration process. The appraisal process, or arbitration in most commercial policies, is an opportunity to quickly resolve disputed claims resulting from wind, fire, flood, or water losses to residential, commercial, municipal, or industrial properties without the need for prolonged and expensive litigation. In order for the process to be successful, one must have an expert independent analysis of the value of the loss by an appraiser designated by each side in the dispute. Once this is completed, the two appraisers will agree on an umpire to resolve any differences between the parties. Appraisal is a formal process written into the policy that provides authority on all coverages, including building, damages, contents, loss of use, law and ordinance, or code. This is an opportunity to get a fresh set of eyes to come in and review the claim as a whole, figure out where we're apart, where we agree, and find a way to bridge those differences. Policies vary from state to state, but in general, an appraiser will work quickly to resolve the differences between the parties. In many states, it's agreed that an appraisal panel can determine the cause of the damages, but appraisal is not a place for coverage disputes. The National Flood Insurance Program contains language for the appraisal process based on an agreed scope. However, an agreed scope does not always mean an agreed repair method. This is a distinct and important difference, as it can allow an appraisal to serve the purpose of resolving flood claims. In order to trigger an appraisal, you must submit a letter to the opposing party. It's critical to identify in this letter which coverages you're demanding an appraisal for. This process establishes a timeline requiring action to appoint the appraisers and umpire, and it begins the process of moving forward towards a resolution. If you're in a position where you have a difficult claim that needs resolution, an appraisal or arbitration can save work for you. It can save time, money, and heartache. Complete has successfully resolved large, complex claims nationwide, from school districts to municipalities and for large commercial clients. We have the background and experience to handle any impasse and bring an appraisal to a final conclusion. For more information about the appraisal process or arbitration and how it can help you resolve disputed claims, visit our website at teamcomplete.com or call us at 850-932-8720. Thank you, John Miner.